Every day is a chance to begin again, to find strength in small steps forward. Wisdom is not in knowing everything, but in listening and learning every day. Thank you for listening, and I am Dr. Jerome Hastings.
Hello there, guys, and welcome back to Generative, your home for generative AI tutorials, guides, and news. This is going to be a follow-up tutorial on what we've learned last time. This time around, we are going to be creating a reference image using VO3. What a lot of content creators have missed is how do you also ensure that the character voice is consistent across multiple scenes? VO3 is very good at creating the character and its voice, but most of the time the voice is going to change depending on the scene, where the character is, how far it is from the camera. All of these factors will cause the voice and the tone to change. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate an image, a video using VO3 to ensure that the character is consistent, and we are going to be using ElevenLabs. And I will teach you how to ensure that the voice of your character is also consistent. So the very first step is we are going to come here to the VO3. Obviously, I have created some videos already, but I'm going to start this with you guys step by step. The very first thing is we're going to click here and we're going to use frames to video. Next, we're going to click on the plus sign and we're going to use generate image. Now, we are going to copy the prompt, and if you have forgotten how to create the prompt, just reference my previous video in order to learn how to create the perfect prompt for consistent characters. Now, the actual description of the character is not going to matter too much because we are going to use this reference image. What you do need to make sure is that the character attire is very detailed and that he has the full attire explained, meaning his shirt, his jacket, his belt, his pants, his shoes. And that is very important if you want to create full body shots across multiple scenes, or if you want to change the scene altogether. So right now, we only have the character details, his attire, and where he's sitting. So I'm going to copy all of this here, and I'm going to head over to VO3. I'm going to right click, paste, and then I'm going to click the enter button. And as you can see now, 4 images are being created here. So what I'm just going to wait and we can select the perfect one. All right, so here we have the different images here of the character. And I think maybe this one is the one I like the most. So I'm going to use this image. So I'm going to use this image here, which is this one. Now we are going to click on any of these prompts. So let me go to the very first one here because we want to. So now I have this whole scene. I'm going to copy all of this and then, all right. So let's go ahead and click here. This is the image that we've created. So I'm going to click on that image, and then we are going to paste whatever I've done here for this character previously. And let's go ahead and hit enter. And now we're going to wait for this to generate and take a look at the results. And now we have the very first scene. Let's go ahead and listen to it.
Every day is a chance to begin again, to find strength in small steps forward.
All right.
Every day is a chance to begin again.
I guess it says to begin again. So the generation wasn't perfect. We can regenerate this again for the voice, again, to perfect it. Let's just quickly check here. Says here, he says every day. I think this is the reason. So let me delete this part here. And we are going to just say every day. All right, and let me run this again and take a look at the results. All right, here we are. The scene has been generated. Let's go ahead and play that.
Every day is a chance to begin again, to find strength in small steps forward.
Perfect.
Every day.
So now we have gotten the first scene. What I'm going to do now is we're going to go to the second one. So let me just copy the prompt from the second one here, where he says, wisdom is not knowing. We're going to copy all of this here. And then we're going to clear this one. We're going to go back to our prompt. Now, you can actually put in the image again, but what we're going to do here, it will automatically say, so it uses the first frame, which is the frame that we've generated, and we're just only going to change the entire prompt here. So we're going to paste the prompt, which I've created already, and we are going to run that and take a look at the results. All right, the second scene has now been generated. Let's go ahead and run it and listen to the character.
Wisdom is not in knowing everything, but in listening and learning every day. Wisdom is.
All right, so as you can see, the character is exactly the same. The voice is actually pretty good. Considering that this is, this is an independent prompt. But now let's go ahead and create a different scene. So we're going to take this one here, and we are going to use this one here. The scene is slightly different, centered on the subject standing. So a little bit of difference here. So we're going to copy that, and we are going to come to this scene prompt here. So we're going to use the same image, but we're going to give it different details. So we're going to paste that in, and it says here, thank you for listening. I'm Dr. Jerome Hastings. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and run that and take a look at the results. And here is the third scene. Let's go ahead and play that.
Thank you for listening, and I am Dr. Jerome Hastings.
Okay. So now you can notice very clearly how the voice has changed. Let's listen to this one here.
Wisdom is not in knowing everything, but in listening and learning every day.
All right. And this one?
Thank you for listening, and I am Dr. Jerome Hastings.
Without a doubt, there is a difference in the voice. So what we're going to do now, we're going to download those 3 clips and of Dr. Jerome Hastings, and we're going to load them into Adobe Premiere. All right, so I have loaded now the 3 clips into Adobe Premiere, and I'm just going to run it without any editing.
Every day is a chance to begin again, to find strength in small steps forward. Wisdom is not in knowing everything, but in listening and learning every day. Thank you for listening, and I am Dr. Jerome Hastings.
All right, so you can very clearly detect how the voice changes in this last scene. I think it was pretty close in the first 2 clips, but then definitely on the third attempt, it's a little bit different. So it sounds like him, but it's not exactly there. So what we're going to do is the following. We are going to go to ElevenLabs, and ElevenLabs is a great tool because it gives you a lot of credits to experiment with. It gives you very generous, amount of credits that you can use to experiment and build voices and do text-to-speech, voiceovers, voice isolators. Of course, there are some premium features. We are going to take a closer look at ElevenLabs in the future, but for today's purpose, what we're going to do is, it says here you can upload or drag and drop the video. So what I'm going to do here, folks, is I'm going to go to the characters here, and I'm going to bring this first one, and I have selected Daniel, and now what I'm going to say is generate speech. Now, what this is going to do is going to go
Every day is a chance to begin again, to find strength in small steps forward.
All right. So that is the first clip. I'm going to say download and download with original name. Okay. Next, we are going to delete that and I'm going to bring the next clip, which is, let's see here. Let's go to download. So I believe this is the second clip and we're going to say generate speech.
Wisdom is not in knowing everything, but in listening and learning every day.
All right. And now we're going to download that one as well. And finally, we're going to load the third clip, which is the one that changed the most, which is this one here.
Thank you for listening, and I am Dr. Jerome Hastings.
All right. So now we have the third clip as well. And we are going to download that. And now we should have 3 clips here. So if I go here, I have the 3 clips that we've downloaded, and they are MP3 files. So this is the first one here. Let's click and listen to it.
Every day is a chance to begin again, to find strength in small steps forward. Wisdom is not in knowing everything, but in listening and learning every day. Thank you for listening, and I am Dr. Jerome Hastings.
All right. Now you can hear those clips, and they are perfect. Now we're going to go back to Adobe Premiere, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to right-click here and say unlink, and I'm going to delete the audio files that Veo generated, and I'm going to bring the clips created by ElevenLabs, and we're just going to put them in here. We're going to put the second one as well, and we're going to put the third one so they are in perfect alignment with the, I think I messed that one up. So there we go. All right, so let me put it right there exactly where the clips are. I'm going to click on Alt and scroll with my mouse so that I can zoom in here a little bit and make sure everything is perfect. So let's see here. Okay. So now we are just going to make sure that the clips are in the right position there for each one of these clips. And now we are going to, of course, we want to make sure that I'm just going to move this one here a little bit to make sure that they are. All right. Now it's perfect. And there's a slight change here. So let me just move these and make sure that they are perfectly aligned. And then I'll put them back together. All right, and we're going to do the same here. So we're just, again, going to make sure that they are exactly at the start. Now we can put this back, and we can put this one back. Obviously, we need to do some editing there for the black screen there, but let's go ahead and listen to, actually, let's do one thing. Let's right-click here, and let's do a nest. So we're going to nest these. Nested sequence 1, that's okay. And now we can actually remove we want the perfect, let's first check
Every
this.
day is a chance to begin again, to find strength in small steps forward. Wisdom is not in knowing everything, but in listening and learning every day. Thank you for listening, and I am Dr. Jerome Hastings.
As you can see, a perfect delivery, a consistent character, and a very consistent voice throughout. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and edit this a little bit, and I'll come back and show you the results. All right, folks, let's go ahead now and listen to the 3 clips all together with a little bit of editing here in Adobe Premiere. Let's take a listen and let's take a look.
Every day is a chance to begin again, to find strength in small steps forward. Wisdom is not in knowing everything, but in listening and learning every day. Thank you for listening, and I am Dr. Jerome Hastings.
All right, what do you guys think? A very perfect, very authentic generation of this character of Dr. Jerome Hastings. Perfect consistency of the character all along in the 3 clips with a perfect voice as well. very authentic, very consistent. And this is really it for today's video, guys. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use a Nano Banana, the latest image creation model from Google. We are going to be using that for creating multiple scenes with the same character and consistent voice as well. Until next time, please take care of yourselves and each other, and I will see you all very soon. Thanks for tuning in, and have a nice day.